Do you use Zelle to send money to friends and family, but secretly worry about getting scammed? You're not alone. Zelle is fast, easy, and connects right to your bank account, which is exactly why scammers love it. The platform is highly secure, but the key phrase here is, Zelle is safe if you use it safely. Think of a Zelle payment like handing someone cash. Once it's gone, it's practically impossible to get back. So, how do you protect your wallet in this lightning-fast digital world? Here are the 3 unbreakable rules for Zelle safety, plus the red flags you must learn to spot. Rule number 1, only send money to people you know and trust. This is the golden rule. Zelle was designed for splitting the dinner bill, paying your roommate, or sending money to family. It is not a marketplace payment system. Never, ever use Zelle to pay a stranger for goods or services. That means no Craigslist, no Facebook Marketplace, no online ticket sales. If a seller insists on Zelle, walk away. Because Zelle offers zero purchase protection, if that item never shows up, your money is gone for good. Period. Rule number 2, double-check everything before hitting send. Because Zelle transactions are instant and irreversible, a simple typo can send your money to the wrong person. It's shockingly easy to mess up an email address or a phone number. Before you authorize any payment, confirm the recipient's name, phone number, and email address outside of the payment app. Actually text them or call them to verify. If you're paying someone new, consider sending a tiny test payment, like $1, to make absolutely sure it goes to the right person before you send the full amount. Rule number 3, your bank will never call you and ask you to Zelle yourself. This is the number 1 scam right now, the impersonation scam. A scammer spoofs your bank's phone number and calls you. They sound professional, and they tell you your account has been compromised or they need to reverse a fraudulent charge. To fix the problem or secure your account, they tell you to send money to yourself. This is a lie. What you are actually doing is sending the money to the scammer's own separate account that they've linked to your phone number or email. Your bank will never call you and ask you to move or send money to yourself to stop fraud. If you get a call like this, hang up immediately and call your bank back on the number listed on the back of your debit card. In summary, treat Zelle like cash. Only use it with friends, check the recipient's details twice, and remember that any unsolicited, urgent call from your bank asking you to move money is a fraudster trying to empty your account. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep your money where it belongs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.